With all the hard work you do, you deserve to sit in your backyard and just relax. Belgard's DESIGNFORMS bench is a quick and easy way to create a spot to kick your feet up. Build your own with these quick and easy steps. Before you get started, you're going to want to have the following: a level, measuring tape, a carpenter square, a drill with a deep hex socket and adapter, a rubber mallet, some outdoor silicone for concrete, and a circular saw. For your safety, wear boots, gloves, and glasses. Then, you'll need your additional materials. You'll need 30 2.5-inch deck screws and 5 2x6 by 8-inch boards. Cut the boards into 5 74.5-inch pieces and 3 20.5-inch pieces. And if you're planning to stain the wood, now's the time. Step 1. Prepare your base. Make sure you're building on a new or existing patio, on poured concrete, or on a compacted foundation. Always level the ground before installation. Step 2. Grab your DESIGNFORMS hardware kit and assemble your brackets by hand. In total, you will need 8 large panels, 8 small panels, and 3 hardware kits for assembling 4 each of brackets A, B, and C. You will also need 12 of bracket H and 48 each of assembly pieces I and J. Note: before assembling your brackets, make sure the screw snaps into place when connecting the bolt to the slider. Step 3. Once your brackets are assembled, it's time to start building. Place your first large panel. Now, place your second large panel next to it to make a 90-degree corner. Use your carpenter square to make sure your angle is just right. Now, it's time to make a 90-degree connection. Here's how you make a 90-degree connection. Slide your pre-assembled corner bracket into place. Use your drill to secure your hardware. Next, place your third large panel. It's time to make a horizontal connection. Here's how you make a horizontal connection. Slide your pre-assembled horizontal bracket into place. Use your drill to secure your hardware. Follow the same steps for corner and horizontal connections as you work your way around. Be sure to offset your blocks. And now, you've got a base. Step 4. Before you can attach your small panels to your large panel base, slip 8 slider bolts into their proper channels in the large DESIGNFORMS. Consult your install guide to make sure they are placed in the correct channels. Each time you place a small panel, make sure to slide 3 slider bolts into the bottom channel of the DESIGNFORM. Time to place your first small panel on top of your base. Start at the corner where you began the lower row. Make sure the enclosed side of the panel is facing the corner, as shown here. This will be specific based on which panel starts your corner. Then, you will connect your small panel to your base using a vertical connection. Here's how to make a vertical connection. Attach one end of your vertical bracket to the center slider bolt in your small DESIGNFORM, and attach the other end to one of your pre-placed slider bolts in your base. Create a 90-degree angle with your second small panel and attach your corner bracket. To make a 90-degree connection between small panels, attach your corner bracket to the nearest slider bolts in the lower channel of your small DESIGNFORMS and tighten with your drill. Note: you'll also need to make a vertical connection with each small panel placed on top of a large panel. Next, place a small block next to your previous panel and make a horizontal connection. To make a horizontal connection between 2 small panels, attach your bracket to the nearest slider bolts in the lower channel of your small DESIGNFORM. Note: you will also need to make a vertical connection with each horizontal connection. Continue to work your way around, offsetting your blocks. Pretty easy, right? Step 5. Time to make the seat. Assemble your wood for the bench top as shown here. Then use 10 of the deck screws to attach each of the cross beams. Step 6. Finally, use the outdoor silicone to adhere the bench top to the base. And just like that, you've got a brand new bench and your weekend awaits. Belgard DESIGNFORMS. Backyards made easy.